How to set up Razer Deathadder mouse. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Razer Deathadder mouse. So first of all, you have to simply plug the mouse into an available USB port on your PC, and then you have, if you want a wireless connection, you have to plug the wireless dongle into a USB port and then enable Bluetooth on your computer and put the mouse into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding certain buttons like side buttons and DPI buttons simultaneously for a few seconds. And after that, if prompt, install Razer Synapse during the initial connection, which is the official software for the Razer mouse, and if not prompt, download and install it from the Razer website. And you have to customize in Synapse, like you can adjust the mouse sensitivity like DPI within the performance tab in Synapse, and remap buttons to different functions or macros in the customize tab. And if your Deathadder model has chroma RGB, customize the lighting effects in the studio tab. And let me give you some optional tips, like if you're using a Razer mouse mat, calibrate the mouse for the optional performance in the calibration tab, and create and manage different profiles for different games and applications, and enable and customize hypershift for additional button functionality. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.